Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to redeem Amazon gift card. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all you need to log in your Amazon account. So this is my Amazon account based on Germany. So I want added here the gift card price in this account. So how to do it? It's very simple. Just look at this. First of all I will tell you, this is my gift card. I am receiving $25 for refer and earn. So most important parts comes here in the security code, and second one is this URL. So we just copy this URL, put it this URL here. This URL is automatically consideration because of I already log in my Amazon using my account. So and here look at this here, your rewards is here. We need to add here security code. I am receiving the security code here in my email. So I just simply put it here in the security code, unlock your rewards, unlock my rewards. If you do this entire process, so afterwards you receive claim code here. So you need to copy this one. So in this code you can receive $25 as I already mentioned here. So for this one you need to copy, and afterwards you need to enter your account in Amazon, and here gift card and top up. You click here gift card and top up, and here option, if I click here redeem a gift card, click, and you need to put it this claim code here, and if I apply for your balance. So guys, this is a simple process. After clicking, $25 has been applied successfully on my Amazon account.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.